Welcome to the Purdue Library's tutorial on the Education Source database. This tutorial will cover an overview of the database, how to narrow down search results, and other helpful tools. The first thing that you might wonder is why you should use Education Source. Education Source is a comprehensive indexing tool for a collection of full-text journals, monographs, and more, covering scholarly research and information to meet the needs of education students and professionals. It covers all levels of education from early childhood to higher education. Another key feature of Education Source is that it is built on top of Education Full Text and contains 100% of the records from that database. To get to the database, let's go to the Purdue Library's website at www.lib.purdue.edu. Next, click on the database link beneath the search box. This will take us to the full list of databases available through the Purdue Libraries. To find Education Source, go to the E section, scroll down to the title, and click on the link. Now let's take a look at the main page. One of the first things you might notice is that it looks familiar. That is because all EBSCO databases share the same interface. So if you learn to navigate one, you should find using the others to be very similar. You can also search several EBSCO databases at the same time. To do this, if you look to the right above the search box, there's a link called Choose Databases. If you click on this link, a window will appear with a list of databases. You can scroll through this list and select the ones, like Eric, that will be best to help with your search. However, for this tutorial, we will solely focus on Education Source. Like many other databases, there are a couple of options for searching: Basic and Advanced. For this tutorial, we will use the advanced search and try to look for articles on the effects of recess in academic achievement. In the first search box, let's enter the keyword recess, and in the second search box, the keyword academic with an asterisk. When searching in a database, the asterisk is a wildcard, which means it can take the place of a letter or a set of letters. In this case, we want the search to look for the keywords academic or academics. This search brings back 225 results. While this is not a huge number, we can refine these results. If you look to the left side of the screen, you will notice several ways to refine the results. These include scholarly or peer-reviewed articles, by the publication date, and even by the source type. Let's narrow the current list to peer-reviewed articles from the last 20 years. This narrows the results to just over 100. From here, you can review the list to see which articles will help with your research. If you look to the right side of the title, there is an icon with a magnifying glass. This is a preview where you can read the abstract and see the subject terms for the article. If the article fits what you are looking for, click on the link for the PDF full text. Also, if you click on the detail record to the left side of the page, you will see a link for Find Similar Results. One last tip. On the results page, there is also a way to narrow down the results to full-text articles. But using this button can exclude important items that are available through other library resources. For instance, if you see a link called Find It at Purdue, it means that that item is available through another library resource. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. If you are looking for other databases that are similar to Education Source, here are a couple to try.